November 17, 6 o'clock at night. So last year, the Stanley vacuum was plugged into 220. And so the motor got burnt. And by chance, I saw a similar item at Lazada. And I decided to buy the replacement motor. So I was surprised that coming out of China, you can buy these items now. It's like so if you ship yourself a Stanley vacuum, it's 110, and the people or you happened or one happened to plug it into 220, and it just begin to burn and smoke. You can actually buy a replacement part. So this is 1200 watt motor, according to the data. Don't know if it's true, but anyway, it just arrived today, so I'm just putting it together now. It's actually 6 o'clock at night, and I wanted to come home quickly to put it all together and check it out. So I put it all together, wired it up, and I'm going to power it up and see what happens. So the cable is plugged in, so this is the on-off switch. Yeah, it's now 220 volt vacuum. So it used to be 110, it got plugged to 220. The wires actually, as you can probably see, they were beginning to burn. I wanted to separate the conductor, but however, when these things begin to burn, the coating has melted. Also the copper properties, these are magnetic wire, and when they get hot, their properties changes, and even if you separate the wires from touching each other, they begin to burn, creating high resistance. So high resistance, more heat, more smoke. This thing becomes smoke emitting device, and so it's really bad. So I'm happy that I saw this part from Lazada. I wasn't even looking for a vacuum motor, but I happened to glance by chance, and I thought, oh, that looked like a vacuum motor pump. So I dug deeper, and I found the right size. So I put a new filter in, and I'm just gonna check it out and see how this thing will perform. I'm amused because I'm able to salvage this vacuum. I like this vacuum. It's super powerful. It'll suck anything. Well, the thing about moving to the Philippines, I've lost the accessories of this vacuum. Anyway, the main thing is this thing sucks. So let's see what it really suck. Yeah, really suck. Good time. Yeah, it'll suck anything. Rock, pebbles. I'm really happy. I made this thing alive. I was thinking of disposing it at the recycling dump. However, it's okay now. So, hooray! Thanks for watching.